Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your power button not turning off your device in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you can see when you just turn on the power button, it will show press and hold button. You can see here I am just pressing the power button. It is opening Google Assistant every time. So how you can remove this? So first you have to open this settings, click on search, right here power button, like this. Click on it, click on power button, click on press and hold power button and click on power menu. So it will disable the voice assistant. Now press the power button and you can see it is showing the power menu. From here you can restart and power off your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.